In 6th grade, I wanted to like get more into engineering and everything. So for my science project, I decided I wanted to do a hoverboard, and it worked really well because I had a leaf blower and I was able to like glide down an entire hill. But I ended up getting taken out of the contest because it counted as engineering and they didn't allow that for 6th graders. So I got kicked out of the science fair for doing engineering. I mean, the girl that got first place was like studying plants, but I really liked my hoverboard. Vex Air has definitely taken an interest in my life because I've done a lot of developing and practice work for the drones, and that was probably one of my best experiences here because to test the drones, you just have to fly them, and giving feedback on what's happening with our drone and how to fix it, that was probably one of my favorite parts. And the coworkers here are amazing. They're like so helpful. Sometimes I'll just be like sitting on my desk with a problem, like completely clueless, and instead of just like wallowing in my pity, I have to like ask them, and they're really, really helpful. But they're a huge part of like helping you become a better mechanical engineer.